Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to withdraw money from your IQ option account. And for this, there's standing a massive deposit option right here. We don't want that. So what we need to do is we click here on our money, and then from here you see the arrow right there with withdrawal. So we click on that arrow for withdrawing, and then from here you can withdraw money to your bank account. Now, I don't have balance on my account, so I don't have the option to withdraw. But when you have money on your account, you can withdraw it from right here. Now, first he asks us to deposit money on it because we don't have balance, but right now we can't do anything. But from here you can withdraw money to your IQ option account. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.